The housing market has been in a frenzy, and as a result, what we're seeing is that people are waiving home inspections, they're buying houses sight unseen, and the result of all of that is that we've got some new research from American Home Shield that tells us that nearly half of all homeowners have had to endure unexpected home repair costs that they just hadn't planned for, and about 40% of homeowners say that they've had 3 or 4 unplanned expenditures. That can really be a budget buster. To get your hands around your budget, you should know how much you're likely to spend per year. We've got some research from Harvard that shows us that you should pretty much plan on 1 to 2% of the value of your home every year. Now, if that sounds like a lot, one way to contain those expenditures is to look at a home warranty, which is sometimes called a home service plan. These are subscription plans for your appliances or your systems that will cover normal repairs or issues. And the leader in this market is American Home Shield. If you go to their website at ahs.com, you'll get an idea of what these plans are and how they operate. The American Home Shield plans, for example, they'll cover up to 23 different systems and appliances. They don't all cover everything, so you're going to want to make sure that you know what plan you're buying. You'll pay about $500 to $700 a year for one of these plans in monthly installments that start at about $40. And then when you call for a repair, there will be a service fee of anywhere from about $75 to about $125. One of the things that confuses people is that this is different from homeowners insurance. When it comes to homeowners insurance, many people don't want to use it because they have the feeling that if they make a claim, their premiums will go up. In the case of a home warranty, like the plans from American Home Shield, you actually do want to use it because you want to keep your systems in good working order so that they last as long as possible. And you can start using these plans 30 days after they come into effect, typically 30 days after you buy the plan. Just think of it like a year-long renewable home service plan that protects you should a covered breakdown occur. If you're looking for more information on these plans, you can go to ahs.com. That's the website of American Home Shield.